Okay, let's proceed. Okay, let's proceed. We are now on number 10 for the personal development. I hope so far you are learning a lot, and please let me know in the comments below what do you think of this course so far. Please let me know, please. Please take time to comment. Pause mo muna yung video, comment ka below. Okay, now let's go to the number 10, figure it out trait. You have to have this trait of having or being an extreme resourcefulness. Okay, the number one skill of a VA isn't knowing everything. It is knowing how to find the answer. Of course, Google it first or ask AI first rule before panicking or bothering the client. Okay, importante to. Kasi if you bumped into a obstacle sa pinapagawa ng client mo, figure it out muna on your own self. I-Google mo, manood ka ng YouTube video, ask mo si AI, execute mo yung suggested. Kung hindi mo pa rin ma-figure out after few minutes, that's the time actually na pwede ka na mag-ask ng help sa client. Tell him or her what happened. Pero hindi dapat na the moment you encounter the obstacle, nag-ask ka kaagad. Hindi pwedeng ganun. Kasi sa client perspective, why are you asking me? You should have figured it out yourself kasi. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nun, kailangan marunong ka paano mag-Google. Ayan, quotation mark. Kung may term ka na gusto malaman na mag-appear sa search result, use quotation mark. Ito yung site. For example, gusto mo lumabas yung mga business owners sa Instagram, lagay ka ng site, instagram.com, tapos yung keyword like fitness coach. Kung gusto mo lumabas ng lahat ng fitness coach sa Google search na nasa Instagram. I think yung iba, hindi ko masyado din ginagamit, pero yung quotation tsaka site, very important na alam mo siya gamitin once nag-google ka. And, syempre, I'm teaching you now how to prompt engineer. So, since very essential na ngayon ang pag knowledge how to prompt, please guys, take seriously if this is slide na nakikita nyo ngayon. Okay? Paano mag-prompt? Introduce the role. Galing to sa promptitude.io. Intro muna. Introduce the role, broad, context, and task while referencing all further sections. Example, you are a professional copywriter in the B2B space. Your task is to write LinkedIn post about future of AI, strictly following the instructions below. Okay, sections, yung panggitna. Structure additional information and instructions in several sections. So, use conversational tone of voice, write sentence or short sentences, and with a call to action to a free trial. Outro naman, repeat the main task by summarizing in few words. Now, write the LinkedIn post. Kung kanina yung pinapasulat dito, sabi dito, write the LinkedIn post, inulit niya dito. Okay? That is how you write a good prompt para kung ano yung makukuha mo sa AI, it is what you are asking for or what the client is asking you to do. Okay? I will show you later how to be good at prompting sa AI.